Industrial Ethernet switches can be managed or unmanaged. Unmanaged switches are non-configurable devices which cannot filter data or forward between different IP networks. However, managed Ethernet switches such as Turck's new TBEN L5 SEM2 can. They can be configured to adjust speeds, collect users into subgroups, configure security features, monitor traffic and network activity, and a whole lot more. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. So, there's a new, faster, more secure and a more rugged industrial field mountable managed Ethernet solution, thanks to Turck. The robust IP67, IP69K, TBEN L5 SEM2 safeguards against overloads and eliminates unnecessary traffic with forwarding rules, and it features continuous network load monitoring on each port. For security, it offers NAT routing and embedded firewall. The TBEN L5 SEM2 is also ideal for mobile equipment with its 8 VDC to 30 VDC power supply range, and the icing on the cake is the gigabit high-speed backbone for high-speed applications. What about all that? For more information, go to turck.com.au or call them on 1300 132 566. And thanks for watching.